This dictation material has been obtained from passage number 45 newspaper. A confident looking Prime Minister said that the country had paid a heavy price due to constant political instability and uncertainty. Full stop. Otherwise, he added, we would have progressed at par with other developed nations, and it is still possible if we forget our bitter past. Full stop. Recalling the difficult days during Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf sit in Islamabad, full stop. He said, by constituting the Judicial Commission, the government had put itself in the dock, full stop. He said, by providing a written assurance that the government will go home in case the allegations of rigging were found to be true, his government had made an unprecedented move. Full stop. I am happy that with the findings of the commission, the mandate of people has been confirmed. Full stop. Besides, it showed maturity of democracy and constitution in the country, he added. Full stop. The Prime Minister reiterated his government's stance that it was all for sweeping electoral reforms, and if the need arose, we will support constitutional amendments for the purpose. Full stop. An electoral reforms committee was already working on it, and I was the one who wrote to the Speaker of National Assembly for constitution of the Electoral Reforms Committee, he added. Full stop. Apparently, he reminded his own government that gone were the days when governments used to feed people with shallow slogans and emotional speeches, because there was no time left for such antics. Full stop. Now we have to account for every single movement. Full stop. In a passing reference, he touched upon macro level economic indicators of the national economy and hoped that after 3 years the situation would improve further. Full stop. He also briefly touched on the ongoing military operation against militants. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore. 3 मिनट ਦਾ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ